Do you want to take your first steps into the crypto world? Or have you discovered a famous altcoin and need to get it somewhere other than Coinbase? If you agree with any of that, you'll want to use an exchange that provides you access to hundreds of different coins and trading pairs. One that allows you to deposit dollars, pounds, and euros, as well as the ability to trade futures, earn interest on your crypto, obtain a crypto Visa card, or participate in one of those mystery iOS games like the one your friend made a fortune on. The good news is that there is a platform that provides all of this and more, and that exchange is Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. As a result, this video serves as a complete guide for beginners to Binance. This video will show you how to buy Bitcoin for the standard cost, lead you through the process trading on the exchange, and give you a comprehensive overview of Binance's other important features. This could even show you how to save up to 40% on trading costs so you can keep as much of your cryptocurrency winnings as possible. So if that sounds appealing, make sure you stick around. Disclaimer: just a friendly reminder that this video does not contain any financial advice. So everything you see here is solely for educational and entertaining purposes. Hello and welcome to Crypto Clips. This channel is yet another shop for all things crypto, with the latest news, commentary, and reviews from around the world. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, point your cursor to the subscribe button and click it. Remember to ring the notification bell so that these videos don't fall through the cracks of the YouTube algorithm. Are you ready to learn everything there is to know about Binance? Let's start with a brief introduction. Binance as a company. After all, knowing who you're working with before depositing money on a site is definitely a smart idea. No one actually knows where Binance is based. You'll hear a lot of folks say Malta. However, the Maltese regulator stated roughly a year ago that Binance is not within Maltese jurisdiction. Some individuals enjoy making a big deal out of this. Is it nevertheless really necessary to inquire as to where Bitcoin is headquartered? That is probably the difficulty with crypto businesses like Binance, and it's probably best not to judge them like a typical corporation. After all, Binance is a global company with offices in over 50 countries and employees from all over the world. Binance's team isn't exactly hiding. In fact, they're doing the exact opposite. Binance's iconic founder, Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, has been creating waves and generating headlines in interviews, Twitter, and even on the cover of Forbes magazine. CZ is the sixth wealthiest person in cryptocurrency, according to Forbes, with a net worth of $1.9 billion. Binance was founded in 2017 following a successful initial coin offering, or ICO, that raised $15 million. Those who have invested received BNB coins with an initial worth of roughly 10 cents. Today, BNB is valued over $100. Not a bad return for those that believed in CZ from the beginning. Binance reported profits of roughly $570 million in 2019, while CZ announced at the end of 2020 that the exchange planned to make around $1 billion in profit for the year. Binance's insane profits are due to the fact that it processes around $2 billion in trades every day on average. But it doesn't stop there. Binance alone has considerably smaller stake in the crypto ecosystem than the exchange. Last year, the crypto card provider Swipe was bought, with a project worth roughly $200 million at the time of filming. Binance also bought CoinMarketCap.com and Trust, a prominent crypto storage service, for an estimated $400 million in 2018. FTX Exchange, whose token is the top 40 crypto in its own right and has a market worth of around $2 billion, is another strategic investment. This isn't a comprehensive list of everything Binance has deliberately invested in or needs. Binance isn't your typical backstreet exchange conducted out of a basement. Instead, you have the world's most successful crypto exchange, driven by an entrepreneur who has accomplished in 3.5 years what most millionaires would take a lifetime to do. To top it off, Binance has spent a significant amount of money expanding its footprint in the broader ecosystem. Simply put, if there are any issues going on at Binance, they stand to lose a lot of money. Furthermore, Binance has a history of doing the right thing. They were hacked in 2019, and approximately 2% of the exchange's Bitcoin assets were lost. Binance, on the other hand, fully paid everyone affected by the attack by using money from the Sapphire Fund, which is a crypto fund set aside to handle exchange hacks. Anyway, you must get the idea that Binance is a major deal in the crypto industry, and they have a track record of looking after their customers. How can you check out if that hot altcoin you're interested in is indeed listed on the exchange? This small trick will show you every exchange where you may trade a given coin. To do so, go to coinmarketcap.com, use the search option, and put in the cryptocurrency you're looking for. You can employ an avalanche in this case. When you click on Avalanche, you'll be taken to a stats page with a variety of analytics and a pricing chart. If you look above the price chart, you'll notice a variety of alternatives, one of which is a market button. When you click that tiny button, you'll see all of the numerous exchanges where Avalanche is listed, as well as the various trading pairings that are available. As you can see, AVAX can be purchased with USDC, BTC, Turkish Lira, BUSD, and BNB coins on Binance. Another thing to keep in mind is that Binance has the largest trading volume for almost every cryptocurrency it offers. As a result, the majority of people trading the coin in question do so on Binance. In any case, you can use that strategy to find out where you can get any cryptocurrency. How do I deposit dollars and euros in Binance's fiat currency? The truth is that joining Binance is a piece of cake. You're ready to get down to business and make a deposit once you've created your Binance account and secured it with a strong password and two-factor authentication. Binance is an excellent place to start if you're new to cryptocurrency because there are so many possibilities. You'll notice a currency symbol if you click the Buy Crypto icon at the top of the homepage. When you select that, a drop-down menu will appear with all of the different fiat currencies you can deposit. There are dozens of different currencies from which to pick. Some of them are quite unusual, such as VND, which stands for Vietnamese Dong. Depending on the currency you choose, the payment choices will change. You've already seen how to deposit euros onto Binance. And now here's how to put dongs onto Binance. Yes, Binance has the widest range of currencies with which to purchase cryptocurrency. What's really amazing about Binance, as far as you should be aware, is that some of these deposit options have no fees. As a result, you'll receive the most bang for your buck. Do you live in the United Kingdom? Most likely, you'll want to use the no-fee bank deposit to deposit those pounds on Binance. Are you based in Europe? SEPA deposits, on the other hand, are completely free. If you're one of my Aussie buddies, you can make Australian deposits without paying a fee by utilizing PayID or OSCO. Despite this, you should be aware that fee-free deposit choices are not available in every nation. Also, anyone wanting to make that Binance deposit with their credit card should reconsider. However, those Visa or MasterCard deposits will be taxed at 1.8% for euros or GBP and 3.1% for rubles, which is convenient. Keep an eye out for those. Here's a helpful hint. If you're in one of the countries where the sole choice is to use Binance's hefty card costs, you could prefer to use a local exchange with reduced fiat on-ramp fees. You can then send Bitcoin from this exchange to Binance to purchase that hot old coin you've been craving. Important points to remember. Despite the fact that Binance offers a wide range of currencies, it does not support every single one of them. If your local currency isn't accepted, you'll most likely need to deposit US dollar. You'll be brought to the deposit page after clicking Select a Deposit Method. Then you'll have two choices. You can pay the 1.8% fee with a bank card deposit. It's basically as easy as typing in the amount you want to deposit, then entering your card information and hitting the Pay button. Or you may use the free bank deposit option. In the United Kingdom, we have the option of using a system called as quicker payments. This option has the minor drawback of requiring you to submit some more ID information. However, it's as simple as pulling out your passport, entering your passport ID, and choosing your nation. After that, you'll see some bank information that you can use to make your deposit. You can just log into your online banking account and make the necessary transfer. It is critical that you enter the same payment reference that you see in Binance for that transaction. Binance recognizes that it is your deposit and that it should be assigned to your account this manner. You'll want to go back to the Buy Crypto page and choose cash balance from the drop-down once your deposits have gone through and you have those pounds, euros, or even Vietnamese dongs in your Binance account. The page will then appear right here. You can put in how much you want to spend and which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then click the Buy button. You may also view how much cryptocurrency you'll acquire before you make the buy. So if you want to deposit on Binance, that's basically all there is to it. What if you already have some crypto and want to take advantage of the exchange's altcoin buffet? Log into your Binance account and click the wallet button at the upper left of the page to make a coin deposit. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find fiat and spot. When you click it, you'll be led to this screen. Then you'll want to press the deposit button. After that, you'll see a Bitcoin deposit page with a BTC address. Use that address to transmit your Bitcoin to Binance if you want to make a deposit. If you wish to deposit an older currency instead of Bitcoin, simply click the Bitcoin button to open a drop-down menu and search for the crypto you want to deposit on Binance. So there you have it. A quick rundown on how to fund your Binance account. Now let's look at how you might reduce your trading expenses. Fees may appear uninteresting at first, but believe me when I say that they build up and can cost you a lot of money in the long run. To begin, you should be aware that there are two types of crypto trading costs. The first is the taker fee, which is charged when an order is executed at the current market price. Second, you have the maker fee, which you pay when you supply liquidity by placing limit orders or other similar orders. Taker fees will be paid by the vast majority of new crypto users. So let's concentrate on that for the time being. Taker and maker fees begin with 0.1%. To put that in perspective, Coinbase Pro has a default taker fee of 0.5%, which is 5 times higher. There are now various options for further lowering Binance costs. So first is to trade more than 50 Bitcoin in 30 days, or hold more than 50 BNB in your account to receive a significantly lower maker fee. At the time of filming, 50 BNB was worth more than $5,000, making this video still a luxurious sum. If you're looking for a deal on those taker fees, to do so, you'll either need to trade 4,500 BTC in 30 days or hold 1,000 BNB, which is worth over $100,000 in BNB coin. Who has that kind of cash lying around? Attempting to lower trading expenses by increasing trading volumes or holding BNB alone is therefore ineffective. Instead, you might wish to keep a little amount of BNB in your account and use it to pay for your trading expenses. That way, you'll get a 25% discount on your fees and will be paying 0.075%. But wait, there's more. You can save much more. If you sign up for Binance through the link in the description below, you'll save another 20% on your trading fees. That means that anyone with a fresh Binance account can perform two things right away. Purchase some BNB to cover trading fees. Use the link to sign up. If you do that, you'll be able to start trading while lowering your expenses from 0.1% to just 0.06%, a 40% reduction right away. Another thing I've seen that many of my friends are disregarding are other amazing Binance promos. You can see them on the homepage by clicking here. Although the majority of these offers are aimed at crypto traders, it's still worth scrolling through to see if you may benefit from any of them. If you wanted to trade Reef a lot, for example, there was a $50,000 trading competition going on. Despite the fact that the hardcore traders get the lion's share, the promotion frequently includes a lottery aspect. 20 lucky people who have traded Reef were picked at random to receive $500 in Reef tokens a piece in this Reef trading tournament. So now that you know how to lower trading fees and take advantage of promotions, I'm sure you're itching to start trading all of Binance's coins. So let's have a look at how it's done. On Binance, you can trade in a variety of methods. Let's start with the simplest option. To begin, please ensure that you are logged into your Binance account. Then from the top menu bar, select trade and then convert from the drop-down menu. Then you may choose which cryptos you want to convert and how much you want to swap. So in this case, you might want to convert 100 BNB to USD. Simply type that in, and Bash Preview conversion will take care of the rest. You'll see a fee that's been coded to you, and you'll have a few seconds to accept it. Your transaction is now complete. It's literally that simple. The advantage of this strategy is that there are only a few trading pairs available, and it only accepts market orders, which means you must accept the current market price. If you prefer greater flexibility, the conventional trading panel can provide it. You may go there by going to the top navigation bar and selecting Trade, then Classic from the selection. After that, you'll see a trade screen. And we're sure you're thinking, wow, that looks complicated. So take a deep breath and take a step back. It's not nearly as difficult as it appears. This form of trading interface has the advantage of allowing you to place more complicated order types, which can save you a lot of money while also saving you a lot of time. To explain what this trading interface is all about, it's best if we break it down into portions. Left. The order book is located to the left. All of the red numbers at the top represent orders to sell a certain cryptocurrency, while the green numbers represent orders to purchase. All of the orders are priced differently. Left-hand column. The price at which people have placed purchase or sell orders is shown in the order book's left-hand column. Middle column. The amount of cryptocurrency accessible at various price points is shown in the middle column. Right-hand column. Finally, in the order book, we have the right-hand column, which shows the dollar value accessible at various pricing points. Center. A price graph can be found in the center of the screen. You can filter it based on various time periods. You may also bring up charting tools by clicking the small yellow tab, which is for those of you who like to do technical analysis. Top. All of the different trading pairs accessible on Binance are listed at the top right of the trading panel. You can see it zoomed in right here. And you can use the search tool to locate the cryptocurrency you want to trade. You're probably going to have to ask some questions now. What do the 5x and 3x symbols next to some of those AVAX trading pairs indicate exactly? Simply said, margin trading allows you to trade with a 5-fold or 3-fold leverage. This is when you borrow money to trade on margin and increase your profits and losses. If you're just getting started, we strongly advise you to avoid using leverage, unless you're a seasoned trader who fully understands the risks. The second question you're undoubtedly asking is, when looking for Avalanche, why search for AVAX? The reason for this is that trading pairs use tickers, which are abbreviated versions of cryptocurrencies. This is usually a 3 or 4-letter combination. But how can you get the ticker for the cryptocurrency you want? You can go to coinmarketcap.com and look up the cryptocurrency you're interested in. To the right of the cryptocurrency's name, a ticker will appear. That method can be used to find the ticker for any cryptocurrency. So tuck that top tip away in your memory bank. Let's return to the trading panel now. Market trades are located in the bottom right corner. This only displays the most recently complicated trades. Finally, there's the trading panel section where all the magic happens and where you place those all-important orders. This order menu is set to limit orders by default. Using an example is the best way to explain what these are. Let's say you don't like the current Bitcoin price, but at $40,000, you're a happy buyer. On Binance, you can place that order by typing in the 40K price point and selecting the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. That limit order will be added to the order book if you do that and place it by slamming the Buy Bitcoin button. If you're sleeping and the BTC price on Binance drops to $40,000, this limit order should automatically activate and you'll receive your Bitcoin at the lower price. As a result, instead of using market orders, you might want to use limit orders. Limit orders, on the other hand, attract maker fees rather than taker fees, which can sometimes be cheaper on Binance. On the sell side, limit orders work in the same way. If the price reaches $100,000, you may place a limit order for 1 Bitcoin. That order will remain dormant until the price point is reached. Of course, these orders can be canceled at any time. The most basic orders are market orders. You simply enter the amount you wish to buy and the market will adjust accordingly. You should now have a basic understanding of how to purchase and sell cryptocurrency using market and limit orders. The futures tab is something we'd want to draw your attention to. You'll probably want to avoid it now because it's even risky than margin trading. Futures can be a helpful tool for expert traders when used correctly, but trading volatile altcoins with 125 times leverage is not a responsible use of them. If you insist on trading with leverage tokens are an option. These provide moderate leverage while removing the risk of being liquidated, making them a good compromise. Let's see what else is on the horizon as a result of all this global money printing. Binance Earn, on the other hand, allows you to earn interest on various cryptocurrencies at a rate of roughly 6% APY. You can select between flexible saves, which allows you to access your cryptocurrency at any time, and locked savings, which allows you to store your cryptocurrency for up to 90 days at a little higher interest rate. Higher yielding high-risk savings products are available, but be aware that you'll be taking on greater risk in exchange for the higher interest. Many individuals stash crypto in a wallet and it sits there doing nothing, which is why these interest-generating tools are so popular. While they wait for crypto values to skyrocket to levels they're happy with, some people invest a portion of their holdings to earn interest. Visa card for cryptocurrency. What makes you think you'd want one? Let's face it, converting cryptocurrency and withdrawing funds to your bank account might be a pain. Also, if you've ever had a day with a 20% gain, we can assure you that you'll want to go out and reward yourself to something. If you're interested in this and want to be able to spend your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted, you'll need a crypto card. The good news is that anyone living in any of these countries may get their hands on a sweet Binance card, and the Binance Black Card is absolutely free, with no admin or processing costs charged by Binance. That card also connects to your Binance Exchange account, which is fantastic. It gets even better. When you use that card, you can still get up to 8% cashback. So if you're lucky enough to acquire a Binance card, you should make use of it. Crypto debts with collateralized structure. Binance also offers collateralized crypto loans, which is not something we encourage to customers. To put it in another way, it's similar to taking a loan from a pawnbroker when you provide collateral in the form of a value item, like as a watch, and you get cash lent against it. On Binance, you can receive a loan with a 55% loan-to-value ratio. But if the LTV goes to 75%, you'll be requested to add extra Bitcoin to secure your loan. If the LTV reaches 83%, Binance will sell your crypto collateral to cover the loan, which is something you don't want to happen. The majority of people use their loans to acquire additional cryptocurrency, which is a type of leveraging. However, if you are interested, you can provide crypto collateral and even be lent euros, pounds, or US dollars. Then there's the Binance Liquid Switch, which is a feature. That's another option to create passive income with cryptocurrency and potentially earn a high yield, but it's not without danger. Then there's what's known as the Launch Pool. This product essentially allows Binance users to earn additional token incentives in exchange for staking certain coins. Letter C, for example, did not have a public sale or an initial exchange offering and instead used the launch pool to distribute a fraction of the initial token. The final product I'll discuss today is a Binance Launchpad. This is Binance's exclusive crypto project launch platform. It's also where guys like us can get extremely cheap token allocations. Token distribution is usually done using a lottery approach for popular launchpad initiatives. Simply said, the more Binance BNB currencies you have in your account, the more lottery tickets you will receive. You can see here that each winning lottery ticket for the injective public sale on Binance Launchpad entitles you to acquire $200 worth of INJ at 40 cents a token. These INJ tokens rose to roughly $15 per token in about 4 months, providing a fantastic return for everyone who invested. So, assuming you choose a good project and are fortunate enough to receive an allocation, you should perform well as soon as public trading on Binance begins. That's why almost every project that's ever been launched on Launchpad has been chronically oversubscribed, and why the lottery mechanism was put in place. Binance made an effort to make these distributions more egalitarian and fair. Furthermore, Binance does not share these initial exchange offerings with other exchanges. So if you see a project on the Launchpad, it will be available only on Binance. It's well worth checking over the Launchpad to see if anything piques your interest. Finally, we would like to take a few moments to discuss some of the educational tools available on Binance. First, there's Binance Academy, which gives excellent overviews of several cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency-related subjects. If you get tired with our channel, as if, you should definitely check it out. Second, there's Binance's research. Project reports featuring all manner of metrics and visualizations covering topics like a project token supply, token allocation, release timetable, and more can be found here, despite their underappreciation. All of this is provided in an easy-to-understand format. We believe that many of you will find these study reports to be extremely useful in your own research. This was probably the longest video we have ever made, but that pretty much sums up our Binance beginners tutorial. The truth is that I've just scratched the surface of Binance, which has a lot more to offer than I've been able to cover today. If you want to start trading on Binance, don't forget to take advantage of the special 20% trading fee reduction by signing up through the link in the description below. Now, we would like to hear your comments, Crypto Clippers, and any additional discussions you guys would like to have, as well as any questions you might have for us. Please let us know in the comments section. Finally, if you found this video to be useful, be a hero and turn on the light. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell notifications. Until next time.